This brand is a private label brand made for the EverRest Group by Goodman Manufacturing, which is a part of Daikin Global, and the units are sold through dealers in the USA. The brand uses aluminized steel primary heat exchangers that resist corrosion and are less expensive, but they are not as durable as brands that use stainless steel, and their warranty is not as good as other brands. The units use durable silicon nitride hot surface ignition, which is quieter and more reliable than spark ignition systems. The GCSS92 model is a basic gas furnace with a 92% AFUE combustion efficiency and a constant torque blower, but it does not have a unit replacement guarantee, while the GMSS96 models have a 96% AFUE efficiency and the lifetime unit replacement guarantee. The GMEC96 models are premium gas furnaces with a 2-stage gas valve, 2-speed inducer, and a constant torque blower motor, while the GCVC96 models have a variable speed blower and the ability to communicate with the other parts of the HVAC system to maximize comfort and efficiency. The GMVM97 model is their entry in the ultimate category and features a variable speed inducer motor, variable speed blower motor, and a modulating gas valve to precisely match the heating needs of the home for longer operating cycles and more uniform temperatures throughout the home.